The election period for the 2025 midterm polls just kicked off simultaneously with its twin directive, the poll body's firearm ban. And in less than 48 hours, the latter has yielded 30 violators, 80 guns, and over 500 rounds of ammunition. As our Ryan Lesigas hashes over more details in this report.
More than 30 individuals have been arrested by the Philippine National Police or PNP for carrying firearms during the second day of the nationwide election gun ban implementation. According to PNP spokesperson and PRO 3 Regional Director, Police Brigadier General Jean Fajardo, 26 of those arrested are civilians, 3 are security guards, 1 an appointed government official from the Bangsamoro Ministry, and another 1 a soldier. The PNP has also confiscated a total of 80 firearms since the implementation of the nationwide gun ban. Most of these firearms were seized in Central Luzon with a total of 19. 14 came from Cagayan Valley and 9 from Western Visayas. In addition, the PNP also seized gun replicas, ammunition, and explosives. The COMELEC checkpoints were initiated by the PNP at midnight last Sunday, signaling the official start of the election period and gun ban for the 2025 elections. The checkpoints will be established in strategic locations, especially at night. The plain view doctrine will be enforced during inspections, meaning vehicles cannot be searched unless the police has reasonable grounds or information that it poses a security threat.
Ano po yung mga circumstances that may warrant a conduct of further inspection po? Let's say, pagbaba nyo po ng bintana ay may mga nakita pong baril po doon, o may nakakitang nakagapos doon, o may nakikitang nag-i-struggle po doon. Then if that happens po, yung ating mga pulis po, na dapat po ay naka-uniform po yan, clearly identifiable po yung kanilang mga pangalan, ay other than that, ay visual search lamang po yun.
To ensure legitimacy, a large sign is placed several meters away from the checkpoint to slow down vehicles. The checkpoint itself must be in a well-lit area and visible to many people. Police nameplates and details on the signage must be legible or readable.
Pakiusap natin sa ating mga pulis, let's say sa gabi, wag namang itutok yung mga kanilang mga flashlight sa mga mata ng ating mga kababayan na dadaan doon. Siyempre, masakit po yun sa mata. May nagtatanong din po sa atin, ma'am, pwede po namin kuhanan ng video habang kami ay ni-inspect? Wala pong problema.
Over 1,400 COMELEC checkpoints will be set up across the country. This number may increase depending on the security threat level in a given area, according to COMELEC. Ryan Lesigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines, Kamkrame.